see from P-Top Laser, we are an industrial laser equipment supplier located in South China. Today, I'm going to introduce a very exciting product from our company. That is 300 watts flex arm laser welding machines for big mud repairing. This is a yacht laser. I think the most impressive part of this welding system is its mechanical designs. So let me show to you in details. You can see the whole optic systems and the welding curve are equipped on the X-Y axis work table, and also this work table can be moved along through the Z-axis, and the X-Y-Z axis of this optical system can be controlled by the joystick, so it will be easily for the operators doing the welding job. It will be easily moving along the X-axis, easy move along Y-axis, and also Z-axis. The second important design for these systems is the welding curve can be inclined 30 degrees doing the welding job based on actual performance. And when you need it, you can move it, you fix it, then start one job. Don't need it, then move it back. Also, the welding curve of these systems can be also rotated 306 degrees. But it's an actual shooting angle 12. You see? And we also equipped the gas delivery systems for these welding systems. Okay, and then the clamp for the optic systems and work table can be also rotated 360 degrees. Let me show you. As you can see, this clamp can be rotated. If you don't need it, just fix it. Also, our welding system has both equipped with both microscope and CCD systems. It will be easily for the operators observing the welding process during the welding job. And this is industry cameras can make the operators see the welding job very clearly and in 2D surfaces. And now I'm going to introduce the main unit of welding systems. This main unit has equipped most advanced pulse laser power supply system in China. This system can make sure that every single laser shoot has the best quality mounting components. And you can see there's control panels. You can easily control the welding parameters through the 4 buttons here. You can change current, you can change pathways, you can change welding frequencies, you can change welding support diameters very easily. Besides that, we have equipped the best quality chillers for this welding system during the welding process. And now I'm going to introduce you some spare parts and accessories we supply to our customers. The first one is welding valves. Some customers need this machine for mud repairing, so we do also supply with them the welding valves for different models. The optical lens for the optical systems, sometimes the lens will be need to be changed. Laser protective glasses, and also the magnetic board for the mold welding during the welding job. Okay, so let me try this machine to you. Make sure you weld the laser protective glasses before the welding. This is class 1 laser protection laser equipment. Safety is most important parts. Now you can see from the cameras, the laser beam, the quality of laser beam, the mountain tools is very, very good quality. For more information, I strongly encourage you to send your inquiry and visit our website. Our website is www.btop.laser.com, BETOPLASER. And if you have further questions or inquiries, we strongly encourage you to send us an email, and we